Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by restarting your Samsung phone to clear temporary software glitches. Remove the SIM tray and inspect the SIM card for scratches or misalignment. Reinsert the SIM carefully and secure the tray. Check the signal icon in the status bar for network bars. Toggle airplane mode on and wait 10 seconds, then toggle it off. Open your carrier app or call your carrier to confirm your account status and service provisioning. Open Settings and go to Software Update to install the latest Android build. Then open Mobile Networks and check access point names for correct carrier values. Set network mode to LTE/3G/2G automatic so the phone registers correctly. Clear any manual network selection and choose Select automatically. If problems persist, perform reset network settings to restore Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Appen, and mobile data to defaults. If previous steps fail, power off and test with a different, known working SIM card. Dial *#06# to display the IMEI and confirm the device identity is valid. Boot into safe mode to check for third-party apps blocking network registration. Back up your data and perform a factory data reset only if necessary. If the issue persists, book a repair appointment at an authorized service center for hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.